Hello children. Today I am going to teach about the trigonometrical identities and trigonometrical identities. Before going to start this topic directly, we will once again revise the ratios. What are ratios? Trigonometrical ratios. How many are there? There are 6 ratios are there. Okay. So based on the right angle triangle, we will define all the 6 ratios. So children, what is exactly trigonometry? Trigonometry is nothing but it's a measurement of a triangle. Measurements means how many measurements of triangles are there? 3. How many sides of triangle? 3 sides of triangle. So how many measurements will be there? 3 measurements will be there. Okay. So this totally trigonometry based on right angle triangle only, children. Okay. So now here I have taken a one right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so now this is acute angle, as you know, and this is 90-degree right angle of triangle. And next this is a base. This is right angle, no, this you know already. What do we call this? Perpendicular. And the side which is always opposite to the 90 degrees, what? Hypotenuse. So what I said, trigonometrical ratios. How many are there? There are 6 ratios. Okay. What is first one? Sine. SINE. What is sine short form? SIN. Okay. What is the definition? I think you know very well, which you have learnt in the class 9. But once again, I'll revise the definitions in this topic so that it will be easy for you to understand immediately. Okay. So this is, see children, one more thing I would like to add in this point. Right angle triangle. So either acute angle A you assume or acute angle C you assume. The questions based on maybe A or maybe C. But here I am going to define the ratios by using the angle A. So one more thing children, in another syllabus, in another, like suppose this is ICSE I am teaching now. Okay, so in another books, so this opposite angle side is called opposite side. Okay, this is also called opposite side. So either you can call it as perpendicular or opposite. Now this is base and this is exactly adjacent to the A. So what do we call this? Adjacent side also we can call it. Or I am writing children. Anything whichever is convenient for you, that words and terms you can use. Okay. But should be meaningful. Right. Sine. Sine short form is what? SIN. What is the definition? Perpendicular by hypotenuse always. Okay. Right. What is that? How can we write in a short form? Sine capital A. I am defining with the A angle, no? So what is capital A opposite? BC. Just I am writing with the names. BC by AC. Okay. Next. Second one is cosine. The full name is cosine and the short form is cos. Okay. So what is cos here? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Okay. Which define in this way. Cos A is equal AB by AC. Okay. Next now. Cosine after third one. Tangent. Full name is tangent. What is the short name? Tan. Okay. What is tan definition? Perpendicular by base. P by B you can also remember in a short form. Perpendicular by base. Okay. This implies tan A. Capital A. A angle I am defining, no? So capital A. tan A is equal, perpendicular is BC by AB. Okay, children. Next, fourth one, cotangent. Cotangent is what? Cot. Okay, what is cot definition? Here, base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. This implies cot A, capital A. Capital A is what? AB by BC. Okay, children? Yes. Next one is fifth one. Fifth one is secant. The full name is secant. What is the short name? Sec. What is the sec? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse secant means hypotenuse by base. Okay. What is the short form and what is the angle? Capital A. So sec A is equal to hypotenuse AC base AB. Okay. Next, sixth one, cotangent, secant, and sixth one, last one, cosecant. What is that? Cosec. Okay. Cosec is what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. What is that? Cosec A equal to hypotenuse is AC by perpendicular is BC. Okay, children? Yes, this is just definitions I revised here. Okay. So these are the 6 ratios which are important, and based on these ratios only we are going to discuss the total chapter trigonometry. Okay. Okay. Right now we are going to start the trigonometrical identities, and this is the small introduction. Now, each trigonometrical ratio is a real number. Correct? Real number only, no? Has no unit. We won't measure like kilometer, meter and all. Okay? Has no unit. Right. Next one. Relations we will discuss. Okay? What are the relations? What is relation here? Relation between trigonometrical ratios. Okay, children? What are those? What are the relations? Suppose if I take sine A, what is sine A? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is cosec? Cosec A, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Correct? Cosec is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That is what we are going to discuss now. Suppose sine A. Sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Correct? So, and cosec is what? Cosec A. Cosec A is just reverse, opposite. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Yes? Okay? This is called reciprocal to each other. Sine is reciprocal to cosec. Cosec is reciprocal to sine. This is called relation between trigonometry ratios. We will see the remaining also. What is next? Cos. So finally, sine A into cosec A is how much? 1. Once again I will explain. Sine A into what is cosec? 1 by sine, right? When we cancel it, what you'll get? Answer 1. Okay, next one. Similarly, this is a symbol of similarly spelling. Cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is base by hypotenuse, right? And sec A or sec theta also you can say. Sec A is what? Hypotenuse by base. What do you understand here? Cos A into sec A is equal to 1 because sec is how much? 1 by cos. Okay, so cos A into 1 by cos, correct, which gives us answer 1. See this one, this is nothing but 1 by cos, correct. Next one, this is second one. Third one, what is third? Tan A and cot A are reciprocal to each other. Okay children, tan A and cot A are reciprocal to each other. So what is tan definition? We know that perpendicular by base. Cot definition is base by perpendicular. So tan A, how can we write? 1 by cot A. Cot A, tan A and cot A is how much? Tan A cot A is equal 1. Okay. So cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. Sin and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Tan and cot also reciprocal to each other. Next. Next, one more thing. What is tan definition in another terms? Sin A by cos A. Cot definition. Cot A definition is what, children? Cos A by sin A. Okay. Cosec A is 1 by sin. Sec A is 1 by cos A. Okay. These are important. Next now, we will check the identities. These all are identities only. Reciprocal to each other. See, what are identities? Reciprocal to each other. Reciprocals and quotient relation. This is called quotient relation. Okay. In next video, I will explain the square relations. Okay, children. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.